Hi, I'm Tara Pringle Jefferson. I'm the host of Here We Grow. It's an annual self-care retreat for women of color. We're in our fourth year now. Every year, more than 30 women gather together from all over the country for a weekend of relaxation, aha moments, and sisterhood. And I created this event because it was something that I needed. It was something that really helped me get time away from my daily obligations so that I could pour into myself and realize how important I am. And when my cup is full, everybody benefits. So I host this event every year. We have women from all over the country who come together. We have mental health therapists come in and speak to us. Our sessions are fantastic, full of conversation that really helps women get clear on who they are, what they want, and what changes they're gonna make when they get home. So the Here We Grow retreat is for women who need a break from their daily responsibilities. When you're at home and you're taking kids to school, you're checking homework, you're just doing all of these different things, and you don't get a chance to really focus on yourself and what you need. So Here We Grow is a space where you can take a break from your daily responsibilities and come be around women who get it, who understand you, and give you the space to figure out who you are, what you need, and how to get it. All right, everybody, how y'all doing? Y'all good? How was brunch? Everything was good? Everything was good? Okay. Well, I just wanted to do this closing brunch this year because, as you all know, some of you have been here before, I never really like for this retreat to end. It's always the highlight of my year. So every year I'm planning this event and I know some of you, but I don't know everybody. And so what I like to do is I imagine you. I imagine you at home. I imagine your kids stressing you out. I imagine arguments with your husband. I imagine, feeling doubts about your career. I imagine all of that. And I think about, well, if I was that woman, and I am that woman, right? What would she need to replenish herself? What would she need to fill up her spirit? And that's what I plan every year. Just what I think women like us need, because we pour so much into everybody else. All we do is think about, are the kids okay? Are the kids fed? Are the bills getting paid? How's my marriage doing? I need, I'm looking for a man, or, whatever. We pour so much into everybody else, and this is just my opportunity, my way of basically kind of like throwing a sleepover, right? For women who just really need a break. I just want to take a minute to thank all of you for coming. I create the room, but you all fill it. And you bring your magic and your wisdom and your energy, and you all inspire me in so many different ways. So if you'd like to know more about the Here We Grow Self-Care Retreat, you can go to my website at theselfcaresuite.com and click on events, and you'll be there.